It is a wonderful and unique opportunity, and there are not very many opportunities like this. I love to hear someone tell me that they're not an artist, because I just kind of laugh at that. It's not true. You find amazing creativity in people who didn't, and they didn't know they had it, and nobody else ever thought they had it. You give them the tools, the materials, and some encouragement. It is absolutely amazing what people can do, and they amaze themselves all the time. We have students like that just always. We have expert artists who come in and try something out of their field. I think it encourages their growth as well. A.R.T Mo is a lot of fun, and what makes it so wonderful is to be in a place with this many artists, all working all at the same time.